cleaning myself properly when I've used the toilet. A lot of people need to understand that that is a key thing to keeping the shayateen and the devils and the jinns away. Because the whole thing of istinja that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he taught us, which is you relieved yourself. Now use something to completely clean your downstairs. Let's call it downstairs, right? So the water, or in our case is the tissue, in their case it was mud rocks that they used to use, or the water they would use to clean yourself. Now, if you leave any impure thing on your clothes or on your body, that is a direct invitation for the devils to be with you. Why? Because that unclean thing, it goes against your dhikr. So now you're doing the dhikr of Allah and you're reciting the Qur'an, but that unclean thing is now affecting it, right? It's not allowing it to have its effect.
Impurity.
It's because impure. It's impure. This is the basic form of tahara that I'm talking. Now, tahara above that is other. So if you've got wudu, that's like an extra protection. Especially when you're in najasa. So, you need to have a ghusl, but you haven't had it. Now you're in najasa. You're in a state where you're not pure. So
Janaba.
Instead of janaba. So you're not even in a state that you should be recite, or you can recite Qur'an. Right. So anyway, so let's say, these are things that would give me my spiritual immune system is going to be weak or strong depending on whether I'm practicing these things.
It's a very good way to put it. Yeah.
Okay. So now when the jinn comes or the sihr comes or whatever comes, right? Who am I and what have I been doing? So if I've got all these practices up and I've got my tahara also done, I'm clean and I'm also doing this adhkar, I'm reciting the Qur'an, these things are just going to come like a fly to me. You understand? Boom, done. You hear me?
Move along. Yeah.
Just move, nothing's not going to affect me, right? But if my weakness is there, then these things will affect me, right? Or they can affect me.
I think